Hey there, PaperKnowledge fam. Today, we've got something special for you. Are you ready to learn about the top 5 websites where you can earn money online? I thought so. Let's dive right in. Site number 1, Freelancer. First on our list is Freelancer. This platform is perfect for anyone with skills to offer. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or web developer, Freelancer connects you with clients who need your expertise. You bid on projects, complete them, and get paid. It's a fantastic way to turn your skills into cold, hard cash. Site number 2, Swagbucks. Next up, we have Swagbucks. This one's a bit different. With Swagbucks, you earn money by doing things you probably do already, like taking surveys, watching videos, or shopping online. It's super easy and a great way to earn a little extra cash on the side. Site number 3, Upwork. Now, let's talk about Upwork. Similar to Freelancer, Upwork connects freelancers with clients, but it's not limited to creative skills. You can find work in fields like IT, marketing, and even virtual assistants. The possibilities are endless, and you can earn a substantial income here. Site number 4, Amazon Mechanical Turk. Moving on to something unique, we have Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is a microtasking platform where you complete small online tasks for pay. It's perfect for those moments when you have a little free time and want to make some extra cash. Site number 5, Airbnb Experiences. Last but not least, we have Airbnb Experiences. If you're passionate about something, whether it's cooking, photography, or hiking, you can create and host experiences for travelers. It's a fantastic way to earn money doing what you love and meeting new people along the way. So, there you have it, folks, our top 5 sites where you can earn money online. Remember, these platforms can be a great way to supplement your income or even become your main source of revenue if you put in the effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to PaperKnowledge for more awesome content. And as always, keep learning, keep growing, and keep earning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.